How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to get your veins to pop out, more a tutorial. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanburke999. So this isn't going to be a workout. I have lots of workouts, depending if you want to do forearms, veiny hands, veiny arms, doesn't matter. But this is going to be more of a tutorial for other things that you guys can do to kind of get your veins to pop out more. So depending on how long you want the veins to pop out for, there are a couple of different methods that can help with this. So if we're looking for a temporary solution, just to get your veins to pop out a little bit more for maybe say 10-15 minutes, just enough so you can take a picture for Instagram or Facebook or whatever. One key that a lot of people don't know of is going for a warm shower actually gets your veins to pop out more. That's actually a thing. Now, don't go super hot, but just a warm shower, that's all you need. Your veins will actually pop out way more, you guys. And that's just because of the warm temperature. Again, if you went for a super cold shower, your veins wouldn't pop out as much. Just like if you're outside. If you're outside and it's super hot out, it's a sunny day, your veins are gonna pop out more because of the temperature increase, you guys. So that's one trick to get your veins to pop out more. The next one is your water intake. The more hydrated you are, the more your veins are going to show. If you're less hydrated and even slightly dehydrated, your veins aren't going to show as much. That doesn't mean drink like a ton of water. Just make sure you are drinking your 8 glasses of water a day and you're staying hydrated. The next one is pretty common, and that's getting to a lower body fat percentage. Your veins are going to be more visible at 10% body fat as opposed to 20% body fat. Another thing is the definition or the size or the experience of the muscles. So if you take someone that's been training for 10 years, they're going to have, like me, for example, I have a ton of muscle definition. I have lots of veins in my muscles because I've been training the muscle groups for over 10 years, actually 12 years, to be honest. Now, if you take someone that just started training, they might be 8% body fat, but if they don't have that muscle definition built up, they might not have any veins at all. And I've seen it before. I've seen people that are super skinny and they don't even have a bicep vein. They don't even have abs. It's because it's not always about body fat percentage. And everyone will say body fat percentage, body fat percentage. It's not always about body fat percentage. In most cases, yes. But even if you're a low body fat percentage, you still have to have the muscle definition and the muscle size to really see the veins. So end of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already.